When you wake up, tummy grumbling, that's your hunger rumbling. Get up on your feet, get something to eat. When you wake up, tummy grumbling, that's your hunger rumbling. Get up on your
Oh my tummy is rumbly. I sure am hungry. Good thing it's breakfast time. But if I eat too much candy, I get a tummy ache. Yuck! Oh, my tummy is rumbling. You know, I'm having so much fun with you, I almost forgot I was hungry. Let's head to the kitchen for breakfast.
That's easy. I already know it's the lion! Whoa, do you hear that? That's just my ferocious stomach.
As my tummy is singing the lunch song.
But we have to do it. I don't need Min's manual.
I think you forgot the feeding part.
I'm so hungry it feels like my stomach is going to inhale me from the inside.
I'm fainting. I'm not gonna make it.
Side Ollie.
Actually, they give me the hungriest feeling, Moon.
Wait! The dinosaur chicken nuggets have... Oh, my stomach. Ah!